Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by locating the interior hood release under the driver's side dash. Reach down, grab the lever, and pull it briskly until you hear the hood pop. Once done, step outside and stand in front of the car to confirm the pop. Make sure the vehicle is secured with the parking brake so nothing rolls. You do this first because the interior lever disengages the primary latch. Without that audible pop, you won't be able to access the secondary catch at the grille. Once the interior release has popped the hood slightly, move to the front and locate the safety latch. Slide your fingers beneath the hood lip and search for the small lever or tab. This stops the hood from flying up if the primary release is open. Press or lift that catch while raising the hood with your other hand. Do it gradually so you control the motion. Make sure to identify whether a prop rod or gas struts will support the hood, so you can secure it properly. With the hood open, place the prop rod in its clip or confirm the gas struts are taking the weight. This prevents accidental closure. When finished, lower the hood to about 1 foot and let it drop to engage the latch. Never slam it. If the hood fails to pop from the interior lever, check the release cable for slack or damage. You can access the latch area from the wheel well or use a long screwdriver to manually trip the latch. This targeted approach usually remedies common release failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.